Well, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today we're going to take a look at the Oittm Smart Aroma Diffuser. Okay, so if you're a homeowner of some sort, or you've got a room somewhere and you've got either pets, or you smoke, or any other reason, or you just want your home to smell nice, then an aroma diffuser is probably a good idea for you. Every day you can come home to a nice smelling house and you can choose from a selection of like aromatherapy oils or just general oils. You can burn them in there and it makes your house smell nice. Now the one thing that has always been a pain for these aromatherapy kits, normally you've got like a little burner with a tea light and you've got to go to the kitchen, you've got to put the right amount of water in, you've got to put a few drops in, and generally it's just like, most people are kind of lazy now, they can't be bothered to set all that up, or you don't want to leave a candle burning just in case it sets fire to the damn house, which is the last thing you want. You just want it to smell nice, rather than smell of charcoal or burnt stuff. So what's an easy way of doing it? Well, the people at Oittm have, and other people actually, have come up with this idea of a smart aroma atomizer or diffuser. So what is this? Well, basically it's an electronic device which uses ultrasonics to break down water and whatever's in the water. So if it's a aromatherapy oil, like for instance we've got lavender, something like that, if you want a nice relaxing thing when you get home from work, you can set it up, you put about 200 millilitres of water in, a few drops of your essential oil, leave it plugged in, and it can come on at a preset schedule. So say for instance you work 9 till 5, you can set it up so that at 4 o'clock this thing will come on and start pumping out nice smells into the air. So when you get home, you open your door and the first thing you smell is nice relaxing lavender and get you all nice and relaxed after your stressful day at work. Great, you say. Yes, not a bad idea. But I bet it's expensive. Well, actually it's not that expensive. You're looking at about £35, that's about $50 I guess in the US. And also, for the money, you get the integration with both Alexa and Google Home. So if you've got either of those set up in your house already, you can add this to your device. So if you're at home and this thing's all loaded, it's already on, you just say, Alexa, turn on the oil diffuser, and Alexa will turn on the oil diffuser and leave it on constantly until you tell her to turn it off. Or you can set a schedule saying, Alexa, turn on the oil diffuser for an hour, and it'll just leave it on for an hour. So which is a nice thing. So if you're led on the settee or you're led in your bedroom or whatever and you don't want to get up and turn all this on, you can just use your voice commands with Alexa or even the remote control via the app on your smartphone. But anyway, I'm probably getting too much in detail on this, so let's have a look inside the box and see what we actually get for our money. Okay, so we get a QR code. So you can go to oittm.com or you can go to their website and download the application for your phone, smartphone or tablet. Yep, you have to set up an account, blah blah blah, etc. Pretty much standard deals for most of these smart things now. And you get another little manual which tells you how to use the Smart Aroma Therapy Diffuser. So it works with IFTTT, Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant, or Google Home as it's known. So you get a pretty nice little pamphlet there with all your information on. You've got your QR codes and tells you how to set up the app on your phone. Now this is just an unboxing, but I'm going to do a follow-up video with showing you how to set it up on your phone, how to fill it and how to run it in conjunction with Alexa. So there's the instruction manuals. Get a bit of foam, don't want that. And inside there is your diffuser. Don't think there's anything else in there. No, that's it. Okay, so here is the Smart Diffuser. Now this actually has got a like a LED light in it as well, which gives you like an accent mood lamp, and you can set to I think it's 7 or 8 different colours, or you can get it to cycle through the colours. So if you're into like your RGB stuff and you like all the lights flashing, you can set it up and do that, or you can turn the light off altogether. As you can see on the front here, you've got various control buttons. So if for some reason your Wi-Fi isn't working, as is quite often the case with Virgin Media, still don't like Virgin Media, driving me insane. But you can use it without Wi-Fi and without your phone, and you can just be old-fashioned and press the buttons. So on the front you've got your power on-off button, you've got your vaporizer button, you've got your Wi-Fi setup button, you've got your LED change button, and you've got your timer setting button. Now the timer you can set on the front, there's LEDs as well which will tell you either 1 hour, 3 hours or 5 hours. And with the diffuser button, you've got 2 LEDs underneath there. One is to give it a constant stream of ionized water, not ionized, diffused vapor, and the other one just does a spurt every now and then, which I think you can actually change how often it does that, but we'll find out more when we get it set up. So that's pretty much all of it for the unit itself. So it's quite nice looking. I don't know if it'll fit in with your home decor, but I kind of like it, and it's not exactly an ugly thing to look at, so I quite like that. So inside there, that's obviously the diffuser shell, and it says, please clean the mist outlet regularly in case of blockage. Now, there's quite a big spout on there, so I don't know how the hell it's going to get blocked, but I guess every now and then take it out and stick it in, I don't know, soapy water, just give it a rinse out. It's probably the same for that as well. So inside, the usual suspects, you get a power brick. Now this is running at, how many watts? It's 12 volts at 1,000 milliamp hours. So unfortunately, it's a shame really. It would have been nice if it was on USB, because then you could plug it into like a USB port on a wall socket or something. But I guess it's not the end of the world. Just plug that in and leave it connected. Again, it would have been nice if the cable would have been white to match the thing, but I suppose in the grand scheme of things, you're probably going to hide the cables out of the way anyway. So it's not a big deal. So that there is where, that's terrible English. This is where you fill the water. So they reckon about 200 millilitres. There is very much like a pot noodle, a line around the outside that you can fill to. And obviously when you filled it up, you can put in your scent of choice. Okay, so we're going to fill this up with water up to the fill level, get it all ready, and see how it goes. But if you're just interested in the unboxing, which is what we've just done, this is it for you. If you want to see the next part of this video, then click on one of the links up here, or just click on the subscribe button, and when I do the updated version of this with the Alexa setup and the Wi-Fi setup, etc., you'll be notified. But in the meantime, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To. This has been the Oittm Smart Aromatherapy Diffuser, which is really difficult for me to say. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, click on like. If you didn't like it, click on dislike. If you want to subscribe, click on the subscribe button, and if you want to be notified, click on the bell icon. Yes. Thanks for watching.